Namaste children, how are you? Are you complete the worksheets? Okay. I hope you are doing the work well. Now, today we are going to be learn one more topic about articles. These articles, see, I saw a woman in the street. I saw an elephant in the street. I saw the dog in the street. The words a, and a, and the are called articles. What are the work of articles means? See, the article is a determiner which precedes a noun or noun phrase. Means here, determiner means which strongly or firmly decided, which come before or which used before a noun. Precedes means used before a noun or noun phrase. So these are the A N are called the are called articles. A N the. Now A and the are divided into two types of articles. Those are indefinite article, definite article. Indefinite articles A and definite article the. What is the meaning of indefinite article? Means the articles which do not points any particular person or thing are called indefinite articles. Definite articles means the article which points a particular person or thing is called definite article. So simply you can understand that a and is a weak form of one, the is the weak form of that. So now today I want to remind all the rules of indefinite article and articles or definite articles. Indefinite articles, we know this one, a and are used before a countable and singular nouns. For example, see a is used before a noun which is started with or begins with the consonant sounds or consonants, and an is used before the nouns which begins with the vowels a e I o u. You know this basic rule, but here some exemptions are there. See, a boy, a egg, a house, a hole, a woman, a university, a unicorn. But up to here, these are consonants. B, Y, H, W consonants. A book, a cat, this one. But here E is there, O is there, O is there. These are vowels. Before vowels A and no, but here rule is those are, though they are begins with vowels, but the sound is a consonant sound. So here the U sound, Y-O-U, Y-O-U, Y sound. So it is very important. A unicorn, A university, though they begins with vowels, but consonant. The article an is used before a a consonant sounded like a vowel or a silent H. Yes. For example, see an ash, an ink pot, an umbrella, an empty. Yes, A E I O U, I O U. But here an M A, M is a consonant, but here sounded is like a vowel sound. And now H is silent, honest, historical thing. So here, though here H consonant, but sound is vowel sound. So that's why an is used. So article a and use in sense of one. A wait a minute. 12 inches make a foot. In a second one. In a vague sense of certain. There was an old man in the street. to single out the individual as a representative of class. A pupil should obey his teacher. So here A is a representation of this class. So in this way, article A and used in this way. Now let us see the different article the. The is used singular and as well as plural also. But whereas article an is a singular and countable, but a singular and plural also you can use for the. When we speak about a particular person or thing, one already refer or to known to the speaker. These are generalize the noun, but here this is a particularized the noun. So the book you gave me is very useful. See the book, which book you gave, that is particular book. The lion is the king of beasts. See, when a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class, so that time also the lion is a king of beasts. With the names of books, rivers, seas, oceans, girls, group of islands, mountain ranges, newspapers. For example, see the Gita, the Bible, the Ganges, the Red Sea, the Indian Ocean, the West Indies, the Persian girl, the Himalayan, the Hindu. The Hindu newspaper. In this way, newspapers names, mountains names, wherever the names of these particular things are places, are you can have to use a the. Next, the is used before the unique things. For example, the sun, the moon, the air, the sky, the sea. Next, the is before used superlative things. For example, the youngest boy, the best boy, the smallest boy, tall, longest, tallest. Yes. Next, the is used before an adjective when the noun is understood. For example, see the rich is actually adjective, not a noun. But the rich should be kind to the poor. Here, the adjective when the noun is understood. In that way also, you have to use this the definite article the. Now, some exemptions are there. No article is used. No article used. You should not use any articles. For example, see before your proper nouns, abstract nouns. That is one way. And proper nouns means any name of the countries. You should not use any article a and the before the names of materials, names of meals, lunch, dinner, breakfast. Before the names of meals, names of language. Any English, Telugu languages you have should not use. Names of games and diseases. Names of words which are used for primary purpose like a school, college, church, hospital, prison. In this way, these these cases you should not use articles. So children, a and the are articles, and we know the rules. Once go through the all the video what I have taught, and please complete your worksheet and be happy. All the best.